are in Scotland, at the Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the United Kingdom. I'm here with Matteo, and we are part of a group of 8, led by amazing local guides, Ollie, David and Phil. Before we head onto the mountain, we have to train some basic winter mountaineering skills. How to walk on the snow, how to stop if we fall, how to use the crampons, the ice axe, how to walk if it is too steep.
Straight into the snow at 90 degrees. There's none of this. If I'm doing that, I'm only on the inside point. I drop the heels down, I can just slowly make my way up.
Learning some skills on mountaineering. Now what we're learning is how to stop when we're falling on the snow.
Come up my arm and I'm going to get into that shoulder. I'm going to bring the ab into that shoulder.
Nice!
The Ben Nevis is only 1,345 meters high, but you're starting from sea level, hence is a whole 1,300 meters ascent, which can take to 6-7 hours. We take the mountain trek, which is the easiest and shortest route to the top.
We're going to go off at a nice gentle pace. The first actual part of this trek is a little bit warm, hence why I've taken off my waterproof jacket and I've got my leg vents open. So what we may need to do in about sort of 10, 15, 20 minutes is we may just need to delay it, and that's perfectly normal.
The trail is surrounded by an incredible scenery, full of water and valleys and views on the Scottish Highlands. In summer, the trail is a good walk, but in winter, the snow on the top, it means you need to have some basic understanding and equipment with you.
So we are halfway through. We just arrived at the waterfall, it's about 2 hours. Now it's much more windy. We're talking about 15 miles an hour, which by Scottish standard is a gentle breeze.
We have good weather conditions today. 5 to 7 degrees at the start, -2 at the top, and the wind is quite mild. The harsh Scottish weather has spared us. The real interesting part starts now, when we put the crampons on. That's when the challenge gets interesting. Crampons on, ice axe, and this is the final bit on the snow. The wind is now picking up and the visibility is reducing. But after 4 hours of hike, here it is. The summit, marked by a stone covered in ice. Ben Nevis in winter teaches you how to use crampons and ice axe, as well as to tackle snow and ice and to deal with sub-zero temperatures. We don't enjoy it too long the moment. It's freezing and we better get moving. We head downhill for a well-deserved award.
The next stop is that building over there, which is a pub.
for a well-deserved year.
Scottish Ale awaits us to celebrate the day and share our thoughts together with other members of the group. It has been a long but beautiful day.